The really cool things that I think Google has improved upon is called Google Sites. And I'm just going to show you how I use it. Um, and I just started it recently with my 11th grade literature students. Um, so Google Sites is now a fairly easy concept to use. And what I had my students do is I use it for portfolio or archiving, digital archiving. And when I go in, they're just developing them right now. But the idea here is I created a template, and that template looked, the original template looked like this, where I had created a site for them, and I had done the home page. And what we do is competencies, so what they're supposed to learn. And I had a home page where I had all the competencies from the um, SAS website in terms of 11th grade literature. And so each one is clickable. And this only took about maybe 20 minutes to create. But every page is going to be different. And here's what they're going to do. When they go in, right, how did I participate in a collaborative discussion? This part here is going to allow them to upload a movie. And what I'm going to have them do is either A, screen record themselves explaining the event in which they participated in a collaborative discussion and what it is that they learned about collaboration and discussion. So they're going to upload either a movie, a screen recording, maybe an image, and then they're going to actually record themselves talking about what it is they did to prove that this right here, 11th grade standard, was done in the class and that they can take this with them. And so the idea that we can do this with Google Sites is pretty incredible, and it's actually very easy to use. So I created this blank one, all right? And then what you do is if you tell the students, right, you share this right here, you Command C, and then you tell the students to go to that site, and what they can then do is they can duplicate the site. So long as they duplicate the site, it creates a new site for them. They can then change the name, and they can then, it is now their website to utilize. And what I kind of go through with them is how to insert things like text boxes, embed codes, images, and so on. These are all layouts that automatically create these thumbnails that when they click on add, they can upload a video, they could do a YouTube video, and so on. So there's a lot of things that can be done on that. But in the end, then, I use this for feedback meetings. And I will talk to them once a quarter, and I will have them, play their videos. We will go to their websites, and we will have these discussions. And the feedback meetings are anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. They're not very long, but I find that it's really working well with some of the students. If I can show you one of the students from another class, you can see what they're starting to create, right, and what they're doing. They're using some of their own creativity and invention. And so in this particular class with this particular teacher, they're actually providing evidence. And here's, for example, a video, and he screen recorded himself explaining how he did an overview of a summary assignment. So anyway, Google Sites is a really, really cool way of doing portfolios and digital portfolios. So obviously, it's very user friendly.